Hello beautiful people, I hope everyone is fine and healthy. Today we are going to make some art. Alright, let's get our materials ready. So what do we have here? Alright, we can have either your poster color or your acrylic paint. If you do not have acrylic paint, you can use your poster color. If you do not have your poster color, you can use acrylic. All right, and flat brush. These are your flat brush. Flat brush, small ones will do. All right, and a palette. All right, mine looks dirty. All right, but these are just dry paint. All right, if you don't have a palette, you can use a plastic plate. Just don't mix the paint together. All right, and pail. Right, and fill it up with water so that you can wash your brush and change to another color. All right, let's go. Okay, I forgot one more thing. You guys remember what is that? Yep, the rag. Alright, when you wash your paint, you can dry your bristles with the rag. Okay, are you ready? Alright, let's do some painting. Okay, so today I'm going to use a poster color. Alright, so what are the colors we're going to use? Alright, what are the colors? The three primary colors. What are the primary colors? The three primary colors. Alright, I can't hear you. Red, yellow, and what's one more? Blue. Yes, these are the three primary colors. And we are going to use one secondary color. Okay, any color of your choice, one secondary color. All right, I want to use green, light green. All right, secondary colors. So we are using four colors. 1, 2, 3, 4. Three primary colors and one secondary color. Okay. Okay, now I've already squeezed all the colors in my palette. Alright, don't squeeze too much. Alright, just a little bit. If not enough, you can add some more. Alright, so these are the colors. Okay, and we are ready. Alright, during the last lesson, I've given you the instructions, what to prepare in the slides, the last slide. Alright, the art materials to prepare, and so what we're going to paint today, we are going to paint the artwork that we did during the last lesson, the drawing. Right, we ready? Alright, so this is my drawing from the last lesson. So what did I choose? I choose my watch. Alright, you've seen this in the slides, in the previous slides. So we are going to start painting, and we are going to paint the negative space. Only the negative space. What is the negative space here? Alright, the negative space is only the space outside. Alright, for this case, outside the watch, outside the watches. Alright, you're not going to paint, I'm not going to paint the watches. I'm going to paint the negative space. Alright, outside the watches. Okay. Alright. Yep. So I've already started painting the negative space here. Alright, and I'm using this brush. Alright, if the space is too tight and too small, you can use a smaller brush. Right? Okay, for example, this is too tight over here. space. Right, so that's why you use the flat brush. Okay, this is a flat brush for thicker paint. Right, pointed brush. The pointed brush is for watercolor. Right, flat brush is for acrylic paint and poster color. Right, the heavier and the thicker paint. Right, and it helps, you know, when you have you want to paint lines like this, angle. Right, so now I want to change color, so I dip my brush in the water, wash it, and okay, right, and I want to use the blue. Okay, I will keep on painting. Okay, I have blue, red. Now I'm using the green. Right? Oops. All right. See how thick the paint is, poster color, and it's flat. Okay, you don't have to add any water. Okay. Okay, I've already used red, blue, green, now the yellow, and we can repeat the colors again. Right. So yellow. I'm finishing off the painting with blue. Alright, you can you know, when you paint, just explore with the paint. Right, explore with these four colors. Remember the colors: 3 primary colors and another one secondary colors. You can secondary color, the color of your choice. Alright, so let me just finish off the painting with the blue. Right, just gonna do a bit here. It's okay if the colors blended or mixed a bit. Right. Okay. And where else can I? There's a bit of here. Okay, I'm done with the painting. Alright, oh, there's some more here. Okay kids, now you have a pail of water with you know, paint, right? Dispose it properly. Alright, and if you're using the toilet sink, please clean it after that. Alright, or just pour it in the toilet bowl and flush it, and make sure there's no stain of paint. Right. Okay, now I'm done with painting. Now what I'm gonna do next is Okay, you get your twin marker, right, and use the thicker tip, and you can trace the lines. Right, already started a bit here. Don't worry about the pencil mark, you can erase them later. Okay, you can make some lines thicker. Okay, now it's advisable to wait for the paint to be dry, right? As you can see, some parts are not dry yet, but for you, it's advisable for just to wait for the paint to be dry. Okay, it's poster color, it dries quite fast, so when it's dry, you can start drawing the line. Okay. Okay, I'm almost done here. Alright, now what you can do is just thicken some lines to make it neater and more interesting, because you have variations of the thickness of the lines. So for example, like this. And for example, like this is a bit messy, so you can make it a bit neater by just making the lines a bit thicker. Right, or what you can do is just cover the entire space. Okay, and if you want, just thickening the lines. And you can also use small tip just to create interesting lines around. For example, you can add just simple lines to make it more interesting. Okay, I'll see you in a while with the completed work. Okay, welcome back, you beautiful people. I'm done with my artwork, right? My drawing, my painting, and this is the final work. I'm going to show you in a while. Okay folks, I hope you enjoy yourself today, making your artwork, painting, exploring with paint, and yeah, see you soon. Bye bye.